experiment because I have never gone live from my actual computer before, because it never let me, and suddenly it's letting me do it. So this is much better than me trying to hold a mobile phone or walk around my house aimlessly with losing connection. So I just want to check that this works. If you can hear me, if you can see me, just say hello. Hello, Nick Wood just joined. Right, David Lee's on as well. Right, this is working. This is fantastic. Right, hello. The title of my live today is How Men Now Finally Understand PMT. Now, I just got off of a really excellent training by one of my mentors, Adeyeze Duncan, and it was such a good training that I had to share some of her knowledge with you. And something she said, it really made me laugh, and it really made me realise that this is so, so true. So, anybody that is into trading, who is doing trading like I am, will understand that it's not all, you know, rainbows and unicorns and butterflies. There are days when it sucks. There are days when Donald Trump will say something stupid and the markets will fly off in the wrong direction. Old Queenie will say something, or, you know, Teresa, the Crow May might say something, and the markets will go in the wrong direction. And we get something in trading called drawdown. And this is when your screen is red, meaning you are losing money. Your account is going down, the figures are going down, and you go into this kind of state of like stress, panic, like, oh my God, please turn, please turn. You want it to turn, go back up and go blue. Blue is good, red is bad. And I have noticed this myself, and I've got a trading partner called Jer, who is a guy, and he experiences exactly the same thing. When you're in drawdown, you are the most irritable, snappy, crazy person that you will never know. I bark at the children, I bark at the cat, I just kind of, when I'm in drawdown, it's kind of like, oh, please turn, please turn. And you're in this like real strong, scary situation, and men are experiencing this too. If your fella is into trading and he is snappy with you and he's irritable with you, say to him, is it drawdown time? And he will understand. It's got to be drawdown time, because his account is in drawdown. So he is kind of irritable and snappy, and he is experiencing what us ladies call PMT. It's so true. So it's not his fault. It's the market's fault. If the trades are going the wrong way and his account is diminishing and, you know, he's panicking, he's in drawdown. Please be patient with him when he's in drawdown. It's okay. As soon as those markets turn and he gets into the blue and his account is looking good again, he'll be fine. He'll be back to his normal self. But there is a section of life called drawdown, and you must be patient with us traders if we're in drawdown. It is very natural, very normal, but when we win, we're the happiest people in the world. At the moment, red. I'm in drawdown, but I'm not worried about it because I know the markets are turning. I know where these are going. I have two blues at the moment. I can't see that, can you? So, you know, all is not lost. So I'm not in total drawdown. You can approach me. It's absolutely fine. Right? But if that goes too red, stay away, stay back. We are in drawdown. So just be careful. Right. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you because, you know, it really made me laugh. And it's made me realise that trading is such a massive mindset thing. You have to be emotionally ready for it. You have to go through the training. You have to go through the emotional mindset. This is not just about buying and selling foreign currency. This is about learning a skill that will pay you for the rest of your life. You know, the good, the bad, the ugly, the drawdown times. So, but it is incredible, and I absolutely love it, especially when we're all blue and we're all trading and it's all good. So, anyway, I want to thank everybody for jumping on my live today. I'm sorry, it's a bit crazy. I get very excited. So anyway, let me just say hello to her. Hello, Nick. Hello, David. Hello, Brad. Hello, Thelma. Rebecca. Hello, Mastano. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. Hello, Lisa. Hello, Kenneth. Right. Have a brilliant day. The sun is shining. It is glorious. So have fun. And remember, if your husband is a trader and he's a bit irritable, he's in drawdown. He's fine. Brilliant.